After being initially limited to the US and the UK, Google's Bard has expanded its reach to 180 countries and is now completely free to use. And now let's explore whether Brad is a worthy competitor to ChatGPT or not. To access Google's Bard, simply click on the link provided in the video description. Once you reach a login page, please sign up using your email address. Before we begin exploring, let's take a look at the features that Google's Bard offers. Number 1, it can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. Number 2, it can access and process information from the real world through Google Search and keep my response consistent with search results. Number 3, it can learn and adapt to new information and situations. It can generate different creative text formats of text content, like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc. Now let's explore these features one by one and see how they work. Okay, let's start with sending a basic email to the manager requesting for a 2-day leave. Take a look at this result, it's exceptionally good. By scrolling down, you will be able to see suggestions related to your topics. Once you click on them, you will be able to view the solutions on Google. In case if you wish to edit the questions, simply click on the pencil symbol to make modifications. If you want to teach a poem to children and you don't have a book, don't worry. Just ask Brad, and it will gladly help you find a poem. Even Google's Brad can assist you in creating lyrics for your song. Look at this, within a second it's generated a new lyrics. Even it can able to write a program in many languages such as C, Python, Java, C#, and many more, and not only can it write programs in various languages, but if you're new to programming and don't have a proper guide, Google's Brad is incredibly helpful. I personally used it and highly recommend it for those who are genuinely interested in programming. I have explored many programming languages with its amazing capabilities. Take a look at this, it explains every code in a concise and clear manner within a matter of seconds. Before we move on to the next feature, I'd like to inform you that if you wish to reset the chat, please click on the reset option located on the left side. Once you click that option, the chat will be automatically reset. Alright, let's put Brad's knowledge to the test. Let's ask for the latest trending news in the world. Okay, it's not bad. It provides information to the best of its abilities. If you want more than that, you can click on the Google It option for further details. It can promptly fetch the latest news directly from Google without any delay in response. If you're in need of a script idea for your story, it can generate one for you. For instance, if you asked for a horror story, it would be able to produce it. One of the coolest features is its ability to translate into any language. For example, if you want to translate into Korean, it can provide translations with English word assistance and even include pronunciation. Furthermore, it offers solutions in both formal and informal ways. So, let's give it a try and leave your feedback in the comments to let us know if Google's Brad is truly worth it or not. From my perspective, Google's Brad is superior to ChatGPT. I believe this video has been truly helpful for you. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing to my channel for more AI-related content. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.